Well, hello there. Bam! I knew I was going to get that much. Figured about 8 inches to the foot. And it looks like we have got a foot out here at the ranchito. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now I have to dig out. Straya has already started with her footprints. Got to sweep down the stairs and shovel a bunch of stuff and do a lot of stuff and feed the animals. Love the snow. It makes it feel like Christmas. And it's November, but it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go, especially with the snow.